Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot 143. You are watching Google Classroom tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to use the question tool in Google Classroom. Suppose if you want to conduct a slip test to your students on the basis of specific resources in Google Classroom, we can do it very easily. Come to Google Classroom, open a class, select the classwork tab. Here, click on Create. From the drop-down menu, please select the question. First, I want to add a video clip and ask the students to write keynotes based on this. I am adding a video file. And in title, after that we can select a short answer or multiple choice option. I'm selecting short answer. If you want, you can enter the instructions for your student. This is optional one. Come to right pane. Select the class or students to which you want to conduct this. I'm selecting all the students and set the marks if required. I want to keep 100. Select the due date. Also we can select a time and select the topic it belongs to. Also we can enable the student can reply to each other option. Thereby we can build some interaction between the students. Also we can enable student can edit the answer to allow if they want to review their answers after they post. And finally click on ask. But if you want to schedule this, click on the arrow and here we can select the schedule, date and time to conduct this. Also we can save this as draft and select to discard draft. If you want to delete all the options we added here, I want to select to ask. Question created. It is showing under Windows. Open the assignment. In handwriting, no students are there because no one attempted this yet. Now let's check in the student ID. And click on the notification and it will show the question and the resources added to this. Here we can answer in three ways: adding a class comment or adding the main answer or adding the private comment. In answer I will type. After completing your answer, we need to click on turn in. And if you want to see your classmate answers, just click on see classmate answers. Only one student answered for this question. Similarly, I want to add class comment which can be visible to all class and private comment which is visible to teachers only. After adding your private comment, we need to click on the arrow to post it. Similarly, for class comments, please click on here. After that, let's check from another student ID. And here it is showing one class comment. If the student wants, he can reply to this comment or he can place a new class comment. Similarly, let's answer this. Click on see classmates answer. And here we can see other students answer. And if we want, we can also reply to individual student. Now let's check the student answers in teacher site. Now we got two in handwritten. Let's click on view question. And here we can view the answers from each student. Only the private answers teachers can view here. It will not be shown to any student. And to see the class comments, click on question. Here we can read the class comments. After that, if the teacher wants to grade the students, simply he can enter the marks here. And to send this to the students, they need to click on return. Students will be notified and can check any grades that you have left. And if we want, we can mute specific student from answering this question. Muted students can still submit work, but other students won't see it and they cannot reply to classmates' work and cannot comment or post. And finally, if you want to disable class comment, come to home screen, click on gear icon, navigate to stream, and from the options we can select students can post and comment, students can only comment, or only teachers can post or comment. And after selecting your option, we need to click on save. Like this we can use question tool in Google Classroom. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.